Something big might be happening for XRP today, March 13th. The Riddlers of XRP have marked this date on the calendar, fueling speculation that the SEC versus Ripple case could finally end. If this prediction turns out to be correct, today could be a historic turning point for XRP and the entire crypto market. But there's more. Linda Jones, a Wall Street expert, has just made a statement about Bitcoin and XRP that could change how institutions allocate their investments. First, let's check the crypto market situation. XRP is holding strong at $2.26, up 3.5%, while Bitcoin is at $83,000 and Ethereum has climbed back to $1,900. Other altcoins like Solana, Cardano, and Stellar Lumens are also showing strong recovery. XRP's recent price action is particularly noteworthy. It has been resilient even after recent market turbulence. Now, let's dive into the XRP Riddler prediction. A well-known figure in the XRP community, Bearable Guy 123, had previously marked March 13th as a key date in his 2022 calendar, and now, in 2024, this date has resurfaced. The timing is highly suspicious, considering that yesterday reports emerged that the SEC is preparing to end the Ripple lawsuit, and today, March 13th, a closed-door SEC meeting is taking place. Could this all be coincidence? Unlikely. For years, these Riddlers have hinted at important XRP-related events, and while not all predictions have come true, many have aligned with major legal and financial developments. The fact that the SEC is now holding a private meeting today, just one day after leaks suggested they are preparing to settle the case, adds even more credibility to the speculation. The Wall Street connection to XRP is also growing stronger. Linda Jones, a well-respected figure in the financial industry, stated that institutions will start diversifying from Bitcoin into XRP. She highlighted how institutional investors, who were once hyper-focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum, are now looking at XRP as a serious alternative, especially with the recent wave of ETF applications for XRP. In fact, Franklin Templeton just filed its 15th XRP ETF application, bringing the total number of XRP ETF filings to 17. Institutions aren't just talking about XRP anymore. They're actively positioning themselves to get in before it's too late. The implications are massive. If these ETFs get approved, it would inject billions of dollars into XRP, driving prices to unprecedented levels. The current market sentiment is still uncertain, but historical patterns suggest we are in a reaccumulation phase before the next big move. The 2020 to 2021 market cycle had a similar retracement and retest period, and right now, we are seeing comparable market behavior. Many people panic sold during previous downturns, believing the bull run was over, only to watch prices skyrocket shortly after. Despite hacks, regulatory uncertainty, and geopolitical turmoil, the market has remained strong. XRP has held above $2, and Bitcoin is still sitting comfortably over $80,000. Proving that this market is nowhere near collapsing. Institutions don't accumulate at market tops. They accumulate when the price is low, uncertainty is high, and retail investors are scared. With the SEC case nearing resolution, ETF approvals looming, and major financial institutions integrating XRP into their portfolios, the stage is set for a massive shift. If today really is the day the lawsuit ends, expect volatility, rapid price swings, and possibly an explosive breakout. Let me know in the comments. Do you think today is the day we finally see the SEC case close? And if so, where do you see XRP heading next? Stay tuned for updates as we monitor this unfolding situation in real time.